In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a duotone effect in Adobe Photoshop. Start by clicking on the gradient map tool. Once that is selected, go to the top window and click on the drop-down menu. From there, pick a gradient. After selecting the gradient, click directly on the gradient box to open the gradient editor. Inside the gradient editor, go to the basic presets and choose the black to white gradient. Apply it like this, and once the black to white gradient is applied, continue with the next adjustment. Double-click on one of the color picker points on the gradient bar. When the color picker opens, choose the color you want to use for your duotone effect. For this example, I will pick this color. After selecting the first color, repeat the same process for the other color picker point. Double-click on it and choose another color for the second part of the gradient. This will complete the main duotone color setup. Now move to the blending mode section. Change the blending mode from normal to color. As soon as you switch the blending mode, the colors from the gradient will blend into the image using the duotone effect style. At this point, the effect is already applied. To finish everything off, adjust the gradient however you like. You can move the gradient sliders or tweak the colors until you get the exact look you want. That's how you create a duotone effect in Adobe Photoshop using the gradient map tool and a custom color gradient.